Hello everyone, mabuhay. Guys, na ako sa amuang church sa IBC. I will be joining sa amuang monthly joint care group, but before that, mag-dinner muna kami. This is our food. This is dried fish, this is gulay, this is dessert, this is mango float, this is sisig. Sisig from ano saan ito galing? Sisig Republic. This is lumpia. Spaghetti, lumpia, this is salmon, lechon manok, salmon, this is appetizers, of course this is rice. Guys, manihapon sa ako ha, mukaon sa ako. This is my food. This is my food. This is dried fish.